We'll guide you through how to create a YouTube channel for beginners. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. So you've decided that you want to go and start making videos, and so you want a channel for it. Or maybe you just want to go and have a YouTube channel you want to go and use on YouTube. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. So we've got a guide on doing this in around 60 seconds, but I want to make an in-depth one for beginners for setting things up. I've gone and done YouTube for quite a few years now, so I've got a good idea on how this should be done. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything in case you go and miss something important, as we're covering different things throughout this whole video on getting things set up and ready to go and get posting. So without any other further ado, let's go and dive into this. So first of all, come to the YouTube website. Now, what you need to do is come to the top right. If you're not already signed in, press sign in the top right. Now, it's important to note that, of course, YouTube is owned by Google, so you need to have a Google account. So if you haven't already got a Google account, press sign in the top right, and you can sign in if you have an account, but if you don't, there's going to be a create account button, and you can then go and click there and go and create your account. Then what you can do is you can come to YouTube as I am here, and you should have your profile icon in the top right. It will just go and be blank. When you click here, this will just go and be your name. So what we can do is go and make a dedicated channel where you can go and have like a proper name for a channel. For example, my name is actually Rob Tucker, but my channel's called GuideRealm, if that makes sense. And we can go and make it a proper brand account. So now what you can do is once you've got your account in the top right, you can go and click on it, and we can come down the list and find the option for settings, and we can go and click there. Now it will go and say your YouTube channel, and it will show you your channel. Now in some cases, there may be a create button here. Otherwise, press add or manage your channels. And you can then go and see your channels here. I've got a few as I've gone and made others before. But what you need to do is go and find the option for create a channel, as you can see in the top left, and you want to click there. So now we can actually start the process. So what you can do is go and select the picture you want to go and use now. Press select picture. And what you can do is you can go and use an illustration, access your Google Photos, and upload from your computer. You can also do this later as well, which I'll guide you through. So you can go and choose your name here. So your name is going to be the main name of your channel. So just to go and give you an example of how it looks like for GuideRealm, let's come to the GuideRealm channel. And so just to go and show you, this is the channel name. And then below this, you've got the @ and this is the YouTube handle. So if we come back here, you're going to see handle here as well. So you want to have your name something people can remember and easily find. It doesn't have to be unique. So for example, I could go and name it tutorial. That would be allowed, but people are going to struggle to go and find that. So if you're coming up with like a brand and a channel you want to build, I recommend having something relatively unique so people can go and find it again in the future. So for example, that's why I had my name GuideRealm. You go and get the idea. So I could go and name this Tucker Realm, for example. You go and get the idea, and then you can go and choose your handle. Now let's go and say I want to go and have Tucker Realm as the handle. The handle has to be unique. The name doesn't, but the handle does, as this is essentially a unique identifier for the channel. So I could add in Tucker Realm videos, and that is available. So you go and get the idea. The name, I would advise to be unique so people can easily find it, but it doesn't have to be, whereas the handle does have to be. I quickly went and changed things there, and then what we can do is go and press create channel when you're ready and go and wait. Now what's going to happen is it's going to go and bring you to a list, or it may go and say this channel doesn't exist. That's just because you just made it. So press refresh in the top left and you'll then be brought to it, and have been automatically switched as well. Alternatively, to go and get your channel, you can go and press your profile icon in the top right, like so, and you can go and press view your channel, and you're going to be brought straight here, which is really cool. So you've got your channel. Now there's some important things we need to do. So once you're here, you can go and press customize channel, and this is going to bring you to your YouTube studio as well. So we can press continue, and now we can go and start customizing it. So you can go and choose your banner image. So to give you a bit of context, your banner is this here. And you can also go and choose your picture here. So I'll do that now. I did show you could do it earlier as well. So I'll select this here and press open. And this is a bit zoomed in. Let me zoom out. We can press done, and it will go and show what it looks like there. You can then come down and see your name and handle. You can change these, but you can only change them twice in 14 days. Add your pronouns, and you can also go and add in a channel description describing a bit about your channel. So I could do like welcome to Guided Tucker, and you can then go and describe about what you do. You can see your channel URL, which can be useful for sharing people, add your email for contact, and you can add a video watermark as well. To go and save this, make sure you go and press publish in the top right like so. And when it's finished, it will go and say so. So just go and wait, and it will go and say changes published. You can come to the home tab, and you can go and switch this on and change these different layout things as well here. So I could switch this on and have different sections here, or you just keep it off, which is pretty easy as well. Now, there's something really important we need to do to make it ready for us to go and start sort of posting content. So you want to come to the bottom left in Studio and press Settings, and you can come over to the left and you want to find Channel, and then in Basic Info, you can go and choose your country. So I'll set mine to United Kingdom and press Save. And then we're going to go and press Settings again. Come to Channel on the left, and you can then come to Advanced Settings. So if you know you want to set your channel as Made for Kids, you can. Personally, I don't do Made for Kids, but you can also go and review this setting for every video. And then you can go and press Save. And we'll come back to Settings and back to Channel. And what's super important is feature eligibility. So click here, and what we need to do is we need to go through here. So we've got standard features enabled. You can press the arrow to the left and see what we're going to get access to. But if you're going to be creating content, you definitely want to go and get these next ones done as well. So you can go and expand intermediate features. And so to go and access custom thumbnails, live streaming, and videos longer than 15 minutes, you need to verify your phone number. So if I come here, you can go and see custom thumbnails of these images. And to go and get access to them, you need to go and have verified your phone number. So you can click there, and it's a really easy process. You can go and get texted a verification code and enter it, and it just proves you're a proper human. And you've also got advanced features. So with that, you're going to either need to complete video verification, have a valid ID, or go and have channel history. And you can hover over these and go and see sort of what it actually means, but they're really easy to do really. And you can go and see them, what you're going to get access to, which is going to be really useful as a creator. So that is it. So we can then come and close out of this. And once you've got your channel verified, you're going to be ready to start uploading content really. And to do that, you can press create in the top right and press upload videos, and you can get uploading. That's it. You've now successfully made your channel. You can add a profile picture or banner and get yourself verified and ready to get posting. If you found this useful and want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day, and I look forward to catching you again.